Which line you want me to read?
Lordship.
What do you want me to read in this order?
Lordship, that entire fact and circumstances.
Bhai, you are saying entire factor. Please show us which para.
Lordship, last is in discourse at page 28. Please, Lordship. We have filed application for vacating the stay, modifying the order dated Lordship 9/3/22. By the order Lordship,
You are appearing for Umesh Kumar now?
Umesh Kumar.
Yes.
Lordship, my consideration, it appears, Lordship, my Lord has been pleased to appreciate that the appointment for the post was to be filled up by female category women. But that is not the term of the advertisement, Lordship. Term of the advertisement is Mahila Purush. Annexure 1 is the advertisement, Lordship.
Huh?
Annexure 1 is the advertisement. From Mahila Purush, third line, अल्पसंख्यक वर्ग से महादलित एवं अल्पसंख्यकों से महिला पुरुष. It is not confined to only lots of females.
Connection, one at page.
At page lordship would be 16. Yes, Lord. Third line is lordship. सुपौल जिला के महादलित एवं अल्पसंख्यक वर्ग से महिला पुरुष There are lots of other conditions are there, and the qualification is metric, not equivalent. It is only confined to metric.
महिला एवं पुरुषों को
Lordship. It appears Lordship, impression was created.
All right.
That only females are entitled. And as such, my Lord has been pleased to direct that in the meantime, respondents are restrained from taking work from Umesh Kumar Ram. And in pursuant to this order, Lordship, I have been disengaged. Running page 45 would be Lordship. Annexure U1, U3. Running page 45 and internal page number 8 of the IA. Last line. Yeah, upar varnit, this Milo got it.
45 is the counter affidavit.
Lordship, it is along with the IA.
Yes.
It is order dated Lordship 25/3/22.
Yes.
Lordship, quoting the High Court's order.
That is all right. That is the order which has been passed in terms of the order passed.
Lordship. And therefore I have been disengaged.
You
And as such, Lordship,
your appointment?
I was selected in 2013.
Where is that order?
Appointment order. This order is for disengagement. Appointment order I have an ex Lordship. That is with the counter affidavit. It will be at page 8 of my counter affidavit. Perhaps it is internal page number 67. And it is dated Lordship 26/10/13. There may be, Lordship, some error in the running page. But internal is Lordship 8.
Yes.
Lordship, this is dated 26/10/13. By this order, I have been selected. Against this order, Lordship, the petitioner moved this honorable court after when their objections were not addressed. Thereafter, Lordship, my lords, this court's order is annexure U2. It has been passed in CWJC number 13/863 of 16. Next to Lordship selection order. Considering that here is the disputed question of fact, the matter was relevant portion in such view of the matter, it would be better that the entire dispute under the consideration is decided by the district magistrate support. The petitioner is directed to file an appropriate petition before the district magistrate support regarding her case within a period thereafter. In case such petition is filed, district magistrate support shall hear the aggrieved persons and decide the dispute.
Yes.
Lordship, in pursuant to this order, the collector, district magistrate considered the case of both the parties and passed order, Lordship, that is annexure 7 of the writ application.
Annexure 7 of?
Annexure 7 of the writ application. It will be at page 17. Collector, sir. 27, sorry, Lordship. 27.
Yes.
It has considered entire facts and circumstances, including the residence of the petitioner, qualification, and others, and the district magistrate came to the conclusion it is as page 28.
Yes. Which line you want me to read?
Lordship,
What do you want me to read in this order?
Lordship, that entire facts and circumstances.
Bhai, you are saying entire fact. Please show us which para.
Lordship, last is in discourse at page 28. विज्ञापन प्रकाशित होने की तिथि से 23/12/13 तक टोला सेवकों के नियोजन के लिए शैक्षणिक योग्यता मैट्रिक मात्र थी। दिनांक 23/12/13 के बाद विस्तारित करते हुए मैट्रिक अथवा समकक्ष योग्यता की मान्यता दी गई। प्रतिपक्षी उमेश कुमार लाल का चयन दिनांक 10/9/13 को उत्थान केंद्र समिति द्वारा कर लिया गया है, जो निदेशक उप शिक्षा जन शिक्षा सह संयुक्त सचिव स्वयं ज्ञापन से प्रभावित नहीं होता है। अतः विज्ञापन प्रकाशित होने की अवधि 18/7/13 से लेकर 10/9/13 तक उत्थान केंद्र में योग्यता मैट्रिक मात्र रहने के आलोक में उमेश कुमार का चयन उत्क्रमित मध्य विद्यालय दुनियावा प्रतापगंज टोला स्वयं से किया उसको इट हैज कंफर्म। My submission would be, Lordship, my selection process has crossed the chain of selection process and respondent number 10 has validly been selected. There is no question to interfere into the selection of the respondent number 10.
What is your percentage in class 10?
Lordship, it has been, Lordship, enumerated in the chart. 56%.
What is? Let him say. The collector, your district magistrate, mentions the percentage of this lady, but does not mention your percentage.
That I do not find, Lordship. There is some, I've seen, Lordship.
And he ignores the report which was given earlier.
Lordship, that is there in the Annexure 2. Annexure 2 में है ना, देखिए तो.
Annexure 2.
Annexure 2 is the inquiry conducted by the.
Lordship, it has enumerated, Lordship, percentage of
And
the
what does it
petitioner.
say?
It appears that
It
women's.
says that श्रीमती रेणु कुमारी का चयन होना चाहिए था प्राथमिकता
No,
के
so far as
तहत
percentage is
महिला
concerned.
अभ्यर्थियों को प्राथमिकता के तहत श्रीमती रेखा देवी का चयन सर्वश्रेष्ठ होता जो नहीं किया गया.
Lordship, महिला को प्राथमिकता होता
How has
नहीं.
he ignored this and the observation of the court that she should have been given?
Lordship, the terms of
What is
advertisement.
the order of the court?
Lordship,
High Court order.
I'm submitting, Lordship, that in term of the
Yes,
advertisement.
state. How has the district magistrate ignored all these orders? It is for this purpose that we hold faith in the DM and we direct him to pass an order.
Lordship, the DM has considered the case and
How is it?
examined the matter in light of the advertisement. Advertisement says, Lordship, that male
Person
and
must be metric. So he says equivalent of metric will not be considered.
that is term of advertisement is there, Lordship.
And Prathama is class 10th
Lordship,
and that is metric.
There-
That
there-
is 2004 letter.
Lordship, that is. But in the advertisement, what is the term of the advertisement?
Very good way of saying the
Metric.
person. It is a very good way.
And subsequently it was enlarged, metric or samkaksh. That is consideration in the order of the DM also.
Annexure 1, page number 7.
Now what is the order of 6/11/2018 passed by the High Court?
6/11/2013.
18. High Court's order, when she came earlier to the High Court.
Lordship, that is there in the habit. You must, Lordship, shown in Annexure 3, yes. It is at page, IA, Lordship, Annexure U by 2. My lord,
इसका फर्स्ट पैरा का लास्ट लाइन पढ़िए, फर्स्ट पेज पे.
in view of the rival contention of the rival parties, respective parties, with regard to the feeder area concerning the appointment to the post of Tola Sevak, this court finds that disputed question of fact cannot be adjudicated inasmuch as while the respondents are conversing that the petitioner does not belong to the place Tola, which has been advertised for the purposes of appointment. Whereas regarding the petitioner hearing, according to petitioner, the district program officer has submitted inquiry report on 12/9/14. Hence, she is entitled for appointment.
So this part is a finding. You have cut the entire line. The order part.
Your Lordship, it appears that it is the error in the printing, Lordship. Orders are normally, orders of this honorable court is normally in legal side.
Which says that the petitioner belongs to the area.
Posakshetra.
Posakshetra. I can find it, Lordship. Legal side.
Page number Lordship 33. The writ petition. Head Sarpanch and headmaster of the school.
अब देखिए, come to page 21.
Lordship.
ट्वेंटी और 21 देखिए आपने?
हाँ.
रेखा देवी की इंटर 58.4% दिखाई हुई है.
Lordship.
और 54% मैट्रिक में दिखाई हुई है.
जो मैट्रिक के समकक्ष है,
समकक्ष कहाँ से आया है? यहाँ पे,
यही तो है।
यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ना मैट्रिक।
यहाँ
आपकी अथॉरिटीज ने खुद ने मैट्रिक के अंदर उसकी 54। Come to next page. He district education establishment officer says this. इस उपरोक्त अंकित तथ्यों से संबंधित साक्ष्यों के अवलोकन से कतिपय तथ्य और पंजी में और मेधा सूची निर्माण में श्रीमती रेखा देवी का
मध्यमा दर्शाया गया है,
मध्यमा दर्शाया गया है, जबकि ये इंटर आधार पर आवेदन की ही आवेदन पत्र में इंटर स्पष्ट रूप से अंकित है।
रेखा देवी पोषक क्षेत्र के हैं, जबकि इनका घर वार्ड नंबर 10 में बताया गया है।
हाँ।
इन दोनों का तो फाइंडिंग जो डीएम का है। What happened in this case, Lordship? In the earlier
what the DM says, he does not say that she is out of the area. He says,
Lordship,
DM, you file your reply. Government. Your reply is not there.
Their counter affidavit is there.
All right. After that, we have passed an interim order.
Lordship, the counter affidavit has been filed. It appears, Lordship.
Heard learned counsel on the IA seeking
Paragraph 11 there.
interim order. This court is satisfied. The learned counsel for the applicant submits that the district magistrate had examined the aspect and has given a finding that the petitioner alone, that the applicant alone was having met great qualification and the petitioner was having an equivalent qualification to metric, which was clarified only by the Joint Secretary letter dated 23/12/2013, and therefore on the day when the applicant was selected, that is 10/9/2013, the clarification being not there, being not on record, the equivalent qualification could not be looked into. Another finding has been given with regard to the petitioner not being resident of the village. The aspect will be considered by this court at the time of hearing of the case finally. Prima facie, this court finds that petitioner had higher marks and was more meritorious than the applicant respondent, and the district program officer in his report dated 12/9/2014 specifically mentions that she should have been offered appointment as women candidate was to be given priority.
That is erroneous, Lordship.
The interim order passed by the court therefore does not warrant any interference. Close this case now. The application for vacation is dismissed. List this case for final arguments. First,
Lordship, annexer page number 31 में headmaster and पंच and the local member of the society
ये अब आप बहस के समय बता दो। वो भी जवाब देते हैं, अभी उन्होंने जवाब नहीं दिया, आइए ही लगाइए।